Just listed. Open house Saturday, June 29th, noon to 2 p.m. Handsome mid-century curb appeal, fantastic layout, and saltwater pool make this 5-bedroom, 3-bath classic ranch a must-see. Ideal for entertaining, a 3-sided fireplace is the focal point of the open main floor with enormous living and dining areas and a gleaming all-white kitchen with updated appliances. Hardwood floors, exposed brick, large windows and cathedral ceilings enhance the allure. Also on the main level is the primary suite with fireplace, walk-in closet, ensuite bath, and sliding doors to deck and pool. 2 more bedrooms and full bath complete the main level. Open staircase leads to finished lower-level recreation room with fireplace, second kitchen, full bath, laundry, 2 bedrooms and loads of storage. 2 large patios and the crystalline saltwater pool are surrounded by shaded lawn, perfect for al fresco entertaining and family time. This move-in ready home is sure to go fast with all